Welcome back to our channel. So today we are back at OPM Banasanway, and right over there, that's the car that is sent in for exhaust installation today. So what we have is a Ferrari 812, not super fast, but this is a GTS convertible, and the car is going to receive Novitec full exhaust system upgrade. So right over here we have the catless downpipes, the mid X pipe, the rear muffler section with valves, and also the owner decided to replace the factory exhaust tips with the Novitec tailpipes along. So right now the mechanics are working on the car to remove the factory exhaust out from the 812 GTS, and we will talk about this Novitec exhaust system. First of all, this catless downpipes. So Novitec has applied the high temperature heat protection on the downpipe section as usual. Then down to the middle X pipe section, there's also heat protection with the Novitec emblem on it. So as you can see inside this X pipe, there's a hole right over there around this middle section, which makes it an X pipe design, while this middle section on the factory exhaust is H pipe. So with the X pipe layout on the V12, you will get that very high pitch F1 sound. Then right behind we have this Novitec muffler. So this muffler is actually quite similar design to the factory ones on the car right now, but obviously this one has a lot more free flow inside the muffler design. Hence, with this installed, the car will definitely sound way more aggressive. But the highlight of this project is this beautiful Novitec tailpipes. So the tailpipes, as you can see, is coated in black color, and right over here on the outer pipes there's a Novitec word finished off in gold color. Beautiful touch by Novitec. Also, this gold color actually matches very well with the car because the owner has actually wrapped his 812 GTS in gold color. So definitely with this installed, it will look amazing on the car. Now we'll have a look at the original exhaust before we remove out from the car. So right over here, these are the factory downpipes. As you can see, there is this additional sensor on the downpipe section. So these are the particulate filter sensors. So for your information, all the GTS models, it does comes with the particulate filters, while if you have a 812 Superfast model, you don't actually have these additional sensors. You don't have the particulate filters as well. Because of the particulate filter, so the GTS, it has a slightly larger and also different design downpipes compared to the 812 Superfast. While for the middle section, this is the factory H pipe. It's completely same as the 812 Superfast, and also on the rear section, the muffler box for the GTS and the 812 Superfast, they are actually the same. So basically all the exhaust parts for the 812 GTS and Superfast are the same except for the downpipe section. Day 2 of the installation for the 812 GTS. So right over here, as you can see, we have removed all the factory exhaust parts out from the GTS. We'll have some brief explanation part by part on the original exhaust. First of all, these are the factory downpipes with a massive, huge catalytic converters and also the particulate filters. So that's why these downpipes right over here, this section, the catalytic converters, they are actually a lot larger if you compare to the standard 812 Superfast downpipes because of the particulate filter to meet the requirements of the emission standards. Then over here we have the factory muffler boxes, both left and right side, as well as the factory H pipe that remove out from the car. So this factory mufflers obviously is very heavy, and also it actually filters out quite a lot of sound on the V12 812 GTS. Then the H pipe, which doesn't give the car a proper high pitch V12 tone, so we replace them with the Novitec X pipe instead, so that it can deliver the very high pitch iconic Ferrari sound. And now on my hand, this is the factory tailpipes. So for our client's GTS, he actually has this option titanium tailpipes. As you can see, the color changes. So these titanium tailpipes, they are finished off in the natural titanium color, but he opted for the Novitec tailpipes, which is finished off in black color, and also it does have a little bit of design difference if you compare the Novitec tailpipes versus these factory tailpipes. And so this is how the factory exhaust on the Ferrari 812 looks like. And if you are driving a Ferrari 812, definitely this factory exhaust system is not something that you want because it is not loud at all. So if you are looking to upgrade your exhaust system on your Ferrari 812, contact us today to find out more about what exhaust brands we have for your Ferrari 812. Done the Novitec full exhaust upgrade on this beautiful Ferrari 812 GTS. So now we'll talk about some of the specs and also the modifications that the owner has did on the car. Obviously on the exterior, you can see that this is not the original color. So this is gold color wrap done by the owner himself. So right under this gold color wrap is actually Rosso Berlinetta, the original paint. As for the wheels are finished off in matte black color with the yellow center cap and also the carbon ceramic brakes, yellow calipers. And now we'll move to the interior. Now we'll talk about the interior of this 812 GTS. So the car does not have the carbon bucket seats, but instead the car comes with these comfort sport seats. For the interior wise, it's finished off in black and brown color leather, so the dashboard area is black color with the red color stitchings, while the rest of the interior parts are actually finished off in this light brown color with the red color stitchings as well. Then also we have a little bit of carbon bits on the dashboard area right over here on the center, and also this part. Then we have the pedal shifters in carbon fiber, also the carbon fiber steering wheel. So yeah, this is pretty much how the interior looks like. So this is how the Ferrari 812 GTS sounds like with our Novitec full exhaust system. Let us know in the comment sections below, what do you think about this Novitec exhaust system? How does it sound like on the 812 GTS? And also, how does this beautiful Novitec matte black exhaust tips looks like on the car compared to the factory titanium finishing exhaust tips? Also, do let us know, what do you think about this color? How does the chrome gold wrap looks like on our client's 812 GTS? Definitely this is a very eye-catching color and it will definitely stands out of the crowd. So if you like our content, remember to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.